What's up guys, Joaquin Silva here with another video. This will be the end of season 1. Enjoy!
Okay, so it's been a while since I posted a video, sorry about that. However, I wanted to have something new to show you guys, so this is what happened during my annual leave. First, my plan. I requested leave from work a few months ago for the entire month of August. Initially, I had planned a trip to Europe for a few weeks, thereafter a trip to the US to attend my sister's due date, who was planning to deliver her baby around my birthday, baby Lou. So 3 birds with 1 stone. See girlfriends, travel to the States for the nephew, spend mine and dad's birthday with family. COVID regulations had different plans for me. First, my Schengen visa got refused, so plan A got wrecked, leaving me with the option to go to Dubai first and see my family and have my girlfriend visit us there. Dubai regulations state only transit if you've been to Indonesia in the past 2 weeks. Hello, I've been stuck here for months.
Door is opening.
Now, new plan. Fly to the US, have the baby meet his favorite uncle, hit my PR on deadlift for my birthday, see my family and friends, and on the way back to work, stop by Dubai to spend my dad's birthday, and have my very patient girlfriend meet me there. Due to last minute changes with company flights and cancellations, I had to spend a few days in Jakarta before making my way to the US via Dubai. I also had a 22-hour layover at the Dubai Airport Terminal 3, in which I did a quick minute video for Instagram to show what you can do in a day at the airport. Overall, it all worked out. Baby Lou is an absolute heartbreaker, but to spend a couple of days with him before I had to au revoir in USA. Our flights to Dubai matched, only had to wait about an hour for my girlfriend to arrive. Although I had too many errands to run, it was great finally spending time together. So that's a wrap on my holiday plan. Have you been on holidays lately? Where to? And if not, where are you planning to go next?
The rock will be disappointed in you guys. Already 5:30, still closed. Let's go back on. Alright, now let's see.
So what happened on my birthday? I woke up early to hit the gym in the morning before plans get in the way. I fixed the bicycle the day before to make sure nothing would get in the way of hitting that birthday PR. I arrived to the gym only to realize it was Saturday and gyms only open after 7 a.m. Cycled back to my aunt's house to wait. Gratefully, I hadn't taken any pre-workout other than my morning coffee. Thumbs up, grab a Zoa, got back to the gym, annihilate the weights. Deadlifts, lat pull downs, plank dumbbell rows, tricep push downs, dumbbell curls, knee raises, face pulls, and calf raises. Now a moment of silence for that beautiful sunrise. And hey, what about you? Do you have any New Year's resolution or personal goals you try to accomplish on your birthdays? Why not comment below and see if anyone else is keen to share their motivation? The New Year, New Me happens mostly on my birthdays, hence the ongoing deadlift PR.
It's been a while since I posted a video. I wanted to have a little bit more to show you guys. So it's my birthday today, so I'm 31. Finished a session, deadlift, did my PR for my birthday, of course. Now I'm on my way home to go to Miami to do a PCR test for my flight to Dubai tomorrow. I'll be spending about a week and spend my dad's birthday there before going back to work. So I'll see what I can mix up for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned. What is up, nomads? Today, quarantine part 2. After taking a trip for about a month and a half, I went to America to visit my family. That's dirty. I met my new nephew. You can have a look right here. From then I went to Dubai to spend about a week. Spend my father's birthday with him, my brother, and my girlfriend as well. Now I'm back in Indonesia, back in Jakarta, to do 8-day quarantine. So
It's time to get back to work.
When you're kissing my neck and grabbing my leg, pushing me backwards.
So that's a wrap for season 1. It's been about a year since I started this channel and already keen on new content up next. Comment below what you'd like to see more in the next season. Like and share if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to receive notifications about my next video. Thanks so much for allowing me to share my journey with you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Until then, buen vuelo.